Sodhi telling Amma Sodhi. What is your problem, Amma? Sodhamma, you are clear mind. Could you please clear my doubt? Telling Amma, telling what is your problem? Sodhamma, why do you carry the heavy basket? This is my livelihood, Amma. Oh, is it another person, Sodhamma? Another person, Sodhamma. What is what, Sodhamma? Hand or head? Hand is less eggs and head says eggs. Endlessly got hand is mother. So I think hand is first. Why do the birds fly, Sodhamma? Because we have your wings. Why do the sunrise is, Sodhamma? Because sun